Question 11, Part C. Differentiate x cubed over x plus 1. Let y equal x cubed over x plus 1. Now we have a quotient of two functions of x. So the quotient rule will need to be applied to find the first derivative, y dash. So by the quotient rule, y dash is equal to u dash v minus uv dash all over v squared, where u is equal to the numerator x cubed, u dash is equal to 3x squared, v is equal to the denominator x plus 1, and v dash is equal to 1. So putting that all together, we get y dash is equal to u dash v minus uv dash, so that's 3x squared outside of x plus 1 minus x cubed, all over x plus 1 in brackets squared. Expanding the brackets in the numerator, we get y dash is equal to 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus x cubed. Combining the like terms, so that's 3x cubed minus x cubed, we get 2x cubed plus 3x squared all over x plus 1 in brackets squared. And we can factorize out x squared from the numerator. So we get the first derivative, y dash, is equal to x squared outside of 2x plus 3 in brackets all over x plus 1 in brackets squared.